Good morning, traders. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great and welcome back to the channel. Time now is 6:30 a.m. Today is 28th of June, which is a Tuesday, right? So markets are going to be sluggish or market are going to be bearish. In fact, as I talk to you, all the world markets are in the red. So we'll see about that, what might happen or what is going to be the price action. Today is Nifty expiry. So we might see some kind of volatility is what I'm expecting. But I told in yesterday's video two things I told. There is no possibility of Bank Nifty going below 45,000, right? So that is what is happening. This is SGX Nifty. As of now, SGX Nifty is not updating. Yeah, SGX Nifty is down by around 48 points. And if you see the Nifty chart, Bank Nifty chart, yesterday video I told yesterday evening, I didn't post any video. So I told 43,500 is a very, very strong support in Bank Nifty is what I told. And you can see there was rejection at around 43,500 levels. Now, if at all we gap down, I don't think Bank Nifty is going to gap down below 43,500. Anyway, we have another 2 hours. US futures are slightly in the red. And yesterday, while we were all sleeping, US markets were down. Dow Jones was down by around 108 point. Nasdaq S&P 500 was down by around less than half a percent. Nasdaq was less than down by more than half a percent, and Dow Jones was down by less than half a percent, bro. So we have a mixed queue, and even now, as I talk to you, US market, sorry, not US market, Asia Pacific is all in the red. Nikkei is down, Topics is also down, Hang Seng is not yet open, and Singapore is also kind of flat. So we are getting a mixed global queue. What the main problem is, 10-year bond yield is on the rise. So it is around 3.86. So if we go beyond 4 10-year bond yield, there is a myth that if 10-year bond yield goes above 4, it is going to be a bearish market or some kind of recession. There is a conspiracy theory that if bond yields should not be rising, right? So this shows us that the market might not go on the higher side, or market may be consolidating with a negative bias is what my expectation. Now everyone was expecting downside, but market are making two-way, three-way move. So for the last 3 days alone, if you see, on 15th of June, market was coming down. It was down by 67 points. I'm talking about the Nifty. On 16th of June, it was up by 137 points. Yesterday, it was down by around 70 points. So we are all 3 days of volatility, right? So Friday, yesterday, Monday, Tuesday, 3 days of volatility is what we are experiencing. And hopefully today also we will gap down and we might see market going on the downside. How much we are going to gap down or how much we are going to go down is we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully Bank Nifty will try to hold above 43,500, and Nifty, this 19,400 is a goddamn super high support. And I don't think Bank Nifty and Nifty is going to gap down below 19,400 is my expectation. So we'll see how things pan out. But for sure, Bank Nifty and Nifty, Bank Nifty is not ready to go below 43,500, and Nifty is not ready to go below 19,400, and Nifty is not ready to go below 18,500. Our retailers are very super smart and they don't want Nifty or Bank Nifty to even if there is any dip, what FIIs are doing is they are coming and buying. So downward market going downside is very, very little, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I strongly believe that the market may not go on the downside. SGX Nifty will check one more time if SGX Nifty is updating. Time is around 6:38. Still it is around 48. Even though SGX Nifty is showing around 48 points a gap down, I don't think this gap down is going to happen, is what my belief is, right? Apart from this, if you see the open interest, huge number of calls are being returned both in Nifty and Bank Nifty from 18,000. This is what I told yesterday. If Nifty is going to come down, not yesterday, Sunday morning video, I told if there were huge number of puts being written at Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I told 18,700 also strike also in Nifty. People are writing huge number of put options, and if the market for one or other reason comes down, it is going to be very hard, and these people have to run for cover, and that alone will trigger a downside movement, and that is what happened in Nifty. Yesterday alone, Nifty drifted around 70 to 80 points, right? So high was around 18,800, almost lifetime high, 18,873. Low was around 18,700. So this 18,700 again is going to act as a support. So it purely depends on how markets are going to open, whether we are going to gap up or whether I don't think we are going to gap up. Either we have to open flat or we have to gap down. We'll see if Nifty is gapping down below 18,700, Fin Nifty is gapping down below 19,400, and Bank Nifty is gapping down below 43,500. All these three levels are very, very good support. If these levels are able to sustain today, then we might see market moving on the higher side. But at the same time, you need global cues, which is very, very negative. Not very negative. It is negative. So we might see what I believe is we might have a negative bias with consolidation. And Bank Nifty also, you can see that huge numbers of calls are being written. And 44,000 is having the highest open interest. At the same time, 43,500 is having the highest open interest. That means people believe that 43,500 will act as a good support, is what you can understand from this open interest, right? So make sure you trade carefully. We also have some Fin Nifty trade, which we are today is going to be a busy day. We'll have to fight very hard for this Fin Nifty, and you know that Fin Nifty is an index where you don't get premiums, and you will have to keep on managing or keep on adjusting. I'll try to record a video today of Fin Nifty trade. What is going to happen? What might be the outcome? Anyway, every week we do Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry. Nifty expiry we don't do. Maybe if Bank Nifty expiry is shifted to Friday, we will do a Nifty expiry also, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized everything. So I believe today market is going to consolidate with a negative bias. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Sorry, today evening's video. Till then, take care. Happy trading. Bye.